How to mute Talkie Walkie on HiPal. Hey, welcome. So today I'll be teaching you how to mute Talkie Walkie on HiPal. So if you don't know how to do this, you'll be glad to watch this to the end, okay? So what you have to do first is to download the HiPal app on your mobile phone. Ensure you've done the settings, the profile picture, the profile username, and all that. So once you open your Talkie Walkie app, at the top left corner you're going to see the settings icon. Also at the top right corner you see the add friend icon. You also see your location. At the middle of your screen you see the location displayed. Also at the lower part of the screen you see the list of friends that you have on HiPal. Here I do not have a lot of friends, but over there you see friends. Okay, at the lower right part of the screen you see the chat icon. Here, the list of chats you have with your friends will be displayed right on your screen, okay? Also, at the lower right side of your screen, you see the membership icon. You can subscribe to the HiPal premium offer so that you have access to other features of the app, okay? So now, to mute Talkie Walkie, it means you have to have subscribed. You see here that I have not subscribed to the HiPal Premium, so I do not have the Talkie Walkie feature on this app presently. But for you, it means you should have subscribed already. But if you've not subscribed, just click on the membership icon that is at the lower part of the screen. You click on it, then you proceed, go ahead with the subscription, okay? So once you've subscribed to the HiPal Premium, the feature Talkie Walkie will be displayed right on your screen. So once you click on the Talkie Walkie feature, you see the option to unmute or to mute. Okay, so since you want to mute Talkie Walkie, you simply click on the button that is just in front of mute. Once you click on it, it's going to mute. Okay, so it's very simple, but make sure that you subscribe to HiPal Premium offer on the HiPal app. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. So this is simply how to mute Talkie Walkie in HiPal. Thank you.